y'all, welcome back to Home Decor 101, where we take the guesswork out of great design and help you fall in love with your home one detail at a time. Now, if you've ever watched videos like this and the rooms all look so nice, but you start to feel overwhelmed by the world of interior design and thought, wait, what's my style? This video is for you. Today I'm showing you tons of different living room styles so you can discover which one resonates with you the most. You'll get a quick feel for each look, plus the type of personality it tends to suit. So grab a notebook, a cup of tea, and let's get started. It's time to find your design soulmate. So first off, bohemian. Free-spirited, colorful, and layered with global textures. Boho is for creators, travelers, and anyone who loves mixing patterns, vintage pieces, and stories in their space. It's relaxed, soulful, and full of personality. Minimalist. Clean lines, neutral tones, and simplicity reign here. If you value peace, organization, and clarity, this clutter-free style might just be for you. Minimalism speaks to intentional living and calm energy. Or maybe your style is more maximalist. More is more in this bold, expressive style. Think vibrant colors, statement pieces, and layers of decor. Perfect for those who love to collect, mix errors, and make a big visual impact. Or maybe you'd be a little more interested in Art Deco. Now elegant, glam, and geometric, with luxurious touches like velvet and gold. Art Deco suits bold personalities who love sophistication, symmetry, and a little bit of drama. How about industrial, raw, edgy, and urban? This look is all about exposed brick, metal accents, and masculine energy. Great for practical, creative folks who appreciate modern city vibes and repurposed materials. And what about modern? Sleek, streamlined, and always current. Modern decor favors open spaces, strong shapes, and minimal fuss. It's a match for people who love function, form, and a very clean aesthetic. Here's another one, tropical. Bright, breezy, and full of natural elements. Tropical style is made for those who dream of palm trees, ocean breezes, and indoor-outdoor living. Think bold greens, rattan, and a really relaxed resort vibe. But let's head from tropical to farmhouse. Warm, charming, and full of rustic touches. If you love shiplap, cozy textures, and a down-to-earth feel, farmhouse style could be your comfort zone. It's ideal for homebodies who love tradition with a twist. Coastal, light, airy, and inspired by the sea. Coastal is all about whites, blues, driftwood, and sunlight. This style fits calm, beach-loving souls who want their home to feel like a vacation every day. And of course, one of my favorites, mid-century modern. Retro, functional, and timeless. Mid-century suits those who appreciate clean lines, warm woods, and iconic vintage flair. Perfect for old soul minimalists with a love of Mad Men era design. But hey, what about eclectic, bold, collected, and unique? Eclectic decorators love mixing different eras, colors, and styles in one space. If you hate rules and love showcasing personality, this style is for you. Here's another one people love, Scandinavian or Scandi for short. It's simple, cozy, and nature-inspired. Scandi design is minimal but warm with lots of whites, woods, and soft textures. Idea for calm, practical people who want functional beauty with a lot of hygge vibes. And of course, I can't make a list like this without French country. Elegant, romantic, and lived in, with this mix of antique charm and rustic warmth. French country is for those who love soft patterns, natural materials, and timeless femininity. Before I forget, what about Japandi? A beautiful blend of Japanese minimalism and Scandinavian calm. Japandi is peaceful, intentional, and serene, perfect for slow living enthusiasts who value craftsmanship and mindfulness. Okay, so we're getting towards the end. Now let's talk about shabby chic. It's soft. There's a lot of vintage tone to it, and of course it's feminine. That doesn't mean that it's only for women though. But think whitewashed furniture, florals, and cozy layers. Shabby chic suits sentimental souls who love charm, comfort, and just a little bit of whimsy. And then another one of my favorites, glam. It's bold, luxurious, and full of bling and shine. Glam is all about velvet, gold, mirrored surfaces, and dramatic lighting. If you love sparkle, statement pieces, and that high-end Hollywood look, this one's for you. Here's one that you may not have heard of, at least recently, Modern Earthy. It's grounded, warm, and organic. Modern Earthy blends sleek modern lines with natural elements like wood, clay, and stone. It's for those who crave simplicity but still want a cozy, lived-in feel. So think clean neutrals, texture-rich materials, and a deep connection to nature. If you want your home to feel like a really calm retreat, this one's for you. And last but not least, we have transitional. You get the best of both worlds. Transitional style mixes traditional elegance with modern simplicity. It's balanced, timeless, and endlessly versatile. Perfect for people who like classic pieces but want their home to feel fresh, not fussy or trendy. Think neutral palettes, soft lines, and a just right blend of old and new. So, did you find your perfect match? Or maybe you're drawn to a mix of styles. That's called fusion, and that's totally okay. Your home should reflect you, so there are no set rules when it comes to what brings you joy. If you've enjoyed this little design speed date, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more home decor inspiration, and check the description box for some of my favorite curated finds from Amazon. Thanks for spending time with me. I'll see you next time on Home Decor 101. But remember, no matter whether you like farmhouse or Japandi, the best thing you can have in your home is a happy family and a feeling of gratitude. I'll see you soon, guys.